Upbeat music plays, and the camera zooms in on the two steam cleaners, the Waitebird Steam Cleaner and the Shark Steam and Scrub all in one, Scrubbing Hard Floor Steam Mop S8001. Welcome to a head-to-head comparison to see which one is worth your investment. First up, let's talk about cleaning power. The Waitebird Steam Cleaner heats up to an impressive 248, allowing for deep cleaning without harsh chemicals, which eco-conscious users rave about. Reviewers highlight its powerful steam and effectiveness on various surfaces, making it a go-to for tough jobs. Meanwhile, the Shark Steam and Scrub offers 3 steam modes and boasts over 150 scrubs per minute. Users appreciate its ability to tackle tough stains while being gentle on floors. According to reviews, the Shark's scrubbing feature is a game-changer for cleaning up after kids and pets, making it a versatile choice for busy households. Next, let's consider usability. The Waitebird has a generous 38 ounces tank and heats up in under 5 minutes, making it user-friendly and efficient. Reviewers appreciate the 21 accessories that come with it, allowing for a variety of cleaning tasks. On the flip side, the Shark is designed for all sealed hard floors and features swivel steering for easy maneuverability. Users love its lightweight design and built-in headlights, which illuminate dirt in hard-to-see areas. While the Waitebird is praised for its extensive accessories, the Shark is noted for its ease of use and convenience, especially for those with physical limitations. Now let's touch on safety features. The Waitebird comes with a built-in child safety lock, ensuring peace of mind for parents. Reviewers have mentioned this feature as a significant plus, keeping curious little hands safe from accidents. The Shark also emphasizes safety, but is more focused on ease of use rather than specific safety features. Users have noted that while it's generally safe, parental supervision is recommended during use, especially with energetic kids around. Overall, both products have taken safety into account, but the Waitebird stands out with its dedicated safety lock. In summary, both steam cleaners have their strengths and cater to different needs. The Waitebird Steam Cleaner is favored for its eco-friendly approach and comprehensive accessory set, while the Shark Steam and Scrub is praised for its versatility and ease of use on various hard floor types. Users appreciate the cleaning power of both products, making them excellent choices for maintaining a clean home. So there you have it. The Waitebird Steam Cleaner is the eco-friendly powerhouse with an array of tools, while the Shark Steam and Scrub is the high-tech scrubber that makes cleaning effortless. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your fellow cleaning enthusiasts. Don't forget to check the product links in the description. Until next time, keep your floors cleaner than your dating history.